All right, guys, we got this thing running. Michael come over, Norman, Brian, John, Brian, Brantley. Let's take it for a test ride. Man, that was a pain in the butt. I couldn't have done it without them. I appreciate them helping. Welcome back to the YouTube channel over here at Shop B&K Performance. We just got the truck running, the F350. That's awesome. So now we're going to work on the race car a little bit more. Hopefully it'll get back rolling today. We got to put the rear end together. We're changing gears. Man, we're making progress. Don't forget to go to turbojohnracing.com, grab some merchandise. So Brantley's over here now. He's helping me reassemble this. I got the new Pinion already on here. 9-inch stuff is pretty easy. I am going to have to get me a different collar for the drive shaft sensor. And I don't even know how those things mount. I've seen some of them, they mount through the case somehow. But I think this one, I guess it'll probably just bolt off of one of these bolts here. So let's change the gear real fast. All right, guys, so this is what takes so long building a race car, right? So check this out. When I was assembling it, and all I did was disassemble this thing, took the gear off of it, and I did have to change the bearings on the Pinion because they were rusty. These bearings were not rusty. These look good. These were fine. And so this bearing and race here is perfect. And so when I was putting it together just a second ago, the reason I had to take it back apart is because this bearing is not perfect. And you see it's not got the cone there. So something has happened. And what I was looking at, see how it's sitting higher, and you can see the bottom of the bearing there. And I was like, well, that doesn't look right. And then I started like, okay, well, it doesn't feel right either. And when I was trying to set the tension on it, and it should not be wobbly. And so, yeah, there's a problem. Something's happened. I don't know what it is. And I don't know if this thing was run or used or not used, or, I mean, generally when you're putting these things on there, I usually just take a punch and punch the center of this down. And, but I mean, maybe somebody took it when they were installing this bearing. Maybe when they were installing this bearing, they had it on a press and it got on the outer ring or something, and it caused it to not work. And that is crazy, man. That's why when I was trying to set it up, when I was trying to get pressure on it, it's like, okay, this is not working like it's supposed to. So, okay, well, another stopping point. So the Pinion is in, and I think we got the Pinion depth set where that needs to be. So this one is ready, it's nice and clean. So we're good there. And this is kind of an odd setup. It's a Moser case, and then it's got all strange guts. So, but I mean, it's fine, it works. Which this intersection is super nice, super lightweight. So we should be good to go. Hopefully it's not gonna be rolling today. Maybe I'll come back over here tomorrow since I got the F350. Kelly's gotta come over here anyway. Let's see, this one's got the nice 40 spline axles. They are not gun drilled, but they're crazy strange. This one's got a nice little end sticker on. I need to get some more. But this thing, I think, is going to be okay. The brakes, I got aerospace brakes on the back, so we got to make sure they clearance the rim. And Brian had them on his car, the wheels, and they fit when they were on that car. What'd y'all have to do? You said you had to clearance the brake caliper, and they did some grinding on the back of the bead lock. And it's got like 1 inch, so it ain't got much room. But it don't need much room. But basically, I mean, the caliper is going to be like right here. So hopefully it'll be enough to get in there. But we'll see. Which these are big tires, man. These are, like I said, these are 29.5 10.5 W's. So that tire fits no problem. So I'm going to start looking for me a set of wheels. Hopefully I can get another set of wheels, and then that way maybe I can have this size tire, or maybe even like a 31 or 33 and then have a small tire. You know, a 28 by 10. So that's my game plan. We're gonna be working on it. It is, oh no, I gotta start from the back. And that's my game plan, is work from the back forward. Go ahead and get the seat mounted soon. I've got all the steering stuff ready to go. That aluminum steering column come from NC Speed Lab. Y'all go hit them up too. They got tons of those for other cars as well, other than Mustangs. And we're probably gonna have to drop it down just a little bit so that we can make this thing. I'm gonna be sitting all the way at the very, very, very back. We gotta build some stuff out here in the front. Got these old takeoff wheels from Randy's. I appreciate him letting me get those, and it's gonna be good to go. All right, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to go to Kelly's channel, The Drag Racer's Wife. That's gonna be a cool channel. Later, guys.